bowled him well. You can't get straighter than that.
Siraj Mian KKR batsman को बैंगन में मिला दिया. My name's Adarsh and you are watching AB's Cricket Diaries.
So I'm going with the Royal Challengers Bangalore.
Absolute carnage by RCB.
I'm backing RCB for tomorrow's game. I said RCB would win, but I didn't expect that.
Kolkata might find themselves on the losing side. Isala cup namde. The toss was the only thing that KKR won. Batting first, they found themselves at 3 for 3, with Mohammad Siraj's first over being a double wicket maiden. His second over too was a wicket maiden, thus creating history by becoming the first bowler ever in the IPL to bowl 2 maidens in the same game. His figures at 1 point read 2 overs, 2 maidens, 0 runs, 3 wickets. Outstanding stuff from the Hyderabadi. Chahal and Washington Sundar were brilliant with the ball as well. And RCB chased down the 85 that they needed in 13 and a half overs. What a cracker of a game it was.
It almost seemed like Siraj had a point to prove after being dropped for the last game. After he conceded 44 runs against KXIP. When he came back today, he was brought in because he gets in that early movement and trouble the batsman, and he did exactly that. Right from the ball, from ball 1 of his spell, he bowled it on a perfect length, kept it to the line outside, just outside off, was getting in that early movement, and KKR's top order was back in the hut even before the power play really ended. And he became the first bowler in the IPL to bowl 2 maiden overs. And what a day he's had, and it was really the game-changing and the winning moment for RCB quite early in the game. KKR never really recovered from those early jolts. I mean, you would argue that the batsmen should have maybe shown a little more intent, counter-attack, just to change things around, but they just never got going. Even Morgan, whatever he put together was quite slow, but at least, it was the wicket also playing that way, but then, a little more aggression maybe would have changed things around, and they finished with a below par. Not even below par, 80 odd is nothing. Given how Lockie Ferguson started against the Sunrisers in his first game, he picked up as many as 5 wickets, including the super over. You would have expected KKR to have bowled him, right at the front, because that's what you needed, wickets, when you're defending such a low total. But they kept him for some reason until the power play ended, and much later in the game where half the runs were even scored by them. A bit silly, isn't it?
डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल भी नहीं, नामुमकिन भी नहीं. Number 6 and 7 take on each other as the battle for the 4th spot hots up. Rajasthan Royals takes on the Hyderabad Sunrisers tonight.
For SRH, the impact players, David Warner, Rashid Khan and the young guy Abdul Samad. For Rajasthan is Josh Butler, Steve Smith and Jofra Archer. Now I am backing my favorite team, the Sunrisers Hyderabad.
I'm not really sure. I'm quite torn between the two teams, but I think maybe Rajasthan will win tomorrow.
Rajasthan looks like the more balanced team, and if they play to their potential, they should win. So important for both these teams to win tonight to keep their chances in the tournament alive. Two of Australia's best batsmen will be squaring off against each other in David Warner and Steve Smith, and both of them will be looking to make a point. My name's Adarsh, you've been watching AB's Cricket Diary, and I thank you for your company, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Ta-da!